Hello guys, welcome back to Android tutorial. From this part we are going to learn each of the view component in Android in detail. So first view component in Android is the text view. A text view is same as a label in Java. So a text view performs the same functionality of a label. So again here also text view perform the same function as it is used as a label. So now in this part I am going to explain how this text view effectively used in your Android project. So I just create a new project here called the text view project. Here is the layout. Here is the main activity layout of that project. There is nothing in this layout. So here I am going to add a text view here. First upon you have to set the layout of that text view. I just align width of the layout as a wrap content. That means the shape, the size, width of the text view is automatically adjust according to the content in that text view. Next I have to align the set up the height of the text view. Android layout height. Also I make it as a wrap content. Now I just place a label for the text view. Android text is equal to first text view. I just save it. So take the graphical layout. Here is the text view appear on the layout, first text view. Also you can add the text view from the palette from itself. There are 4 options of text view are available. Here is the normal text view. Here it is a large. If you need a large text view you can use this. If you want a medium text view then here it is. If you want the extremely small type of text view then you have to use this option. I just place a large text view here. Okay, now here it is. There are 2 text view available in this layout. Now just take a look on the XML file. Here is the text view that I already created. Here is the text view that I drag from the palette window. So here is an ID for the text view. This ID is used as an identifier in the XML file. In the Java file. So we need this to identify this text view in the Java file. Now here is the width, it is wrap content. Here is the height, it is wrap content. It is align left to the text view 2 and it is below to text view 2 and margin left is 60 density pixel. So the text is a large text and here is the text appearance. It is appear as a large text. I just change it. Second text view. So I just run the project. There are 2 text view present on the layout. I just run the project. Okay, the project is run. And the application is launched on the emulator. You can see that there are 2 text view appear on the emulator. Also it is possible to refer the text for the text view from the string.xml file. So here I just refer it from the string.xml file. So using at this string, and here I just specify an identifier for the text of this text view. I just specify it as MSG. So now I have to add this on the string.xml file. So just go to the values folder, and in that folder you can see that a string.xml file is present. Open it and click the add button. Here is you have to add a string resource, and here you just specify a name. Here the name is MSG and value is second text view. I save it again. Now take a closer look to the graphical layout. Now this text for the second text view is getting from the string.xml file. So again I run the project. Again the project is launch. Again the application is launched on the emulator. You can see that again there are two text view appear on the emulator. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please go to this next part of this tutorial to learn more about text view, how to handle the text view dynamically. So thank you for watching. Please go to the next part to learn about text view in deep.